32 crested ibises were released in a wildlife reintroduction zone in Shannxi city of Tongquan in July 2013. They have since built nests, laid eggs, and hatched several chicks.
These crested ibises have gotten used to the environment here. 2 crested ibis chicks were born in the zone in April. Their birth marks a great success for our wildlife reintroduction efforts and have resulted in valuable experience and data for future work.
To aid in observation and protection efforts, rangers have fitted some of the birds with small radio transmitters. Rangers can give aid to the birds according to the signals they receive through the transmitters.
We chose 6 of the strongest birds and fitted them with radio transmitters. This allows us to track them, record their activity, and give help to any that might be in danger.
Crested ibises usually eat frogs, fish, and other small animals. But foraging can become difficult in the winter when wetlands and rivers become frozen or covered in snow.
In Tongquan, temperatures can reach negative 15 degrees Celsius. The cold can result in food shortages for the birds, so we have to prepare mealworms and loaches for them. But of course, we try to interfere with their natural behavior as little as possible.
At one time, the crested ibis could be found in many areas in China, Korea, Russia, and Japan. But ongoing habitat destruction, winter starvation, and hunting over the last century have pushed the endangered species to the brink of extinction. It has now disappeared from most of the areas it previously lived in. The birds were thought to be completely gone in China until 1981, when 7 of the birds were observed in Shannxi. Since then, the population of crested ibises in China has reached about 2,000, with roughly half the population being wild crested ibises.
Our next goal is to help the creature resume migration and fly across East Asia in order to restore the range the birds had in previous decades.